Welcome, today we're going to show you if you can actually play EA Sports UFC 5 on your PC. So unfortunately, right now there's no actual way to play UFC 5 on your PC. So is EA Sports UFC 5 coming to PC? So the answer is no, EA Sports UFC 5 is not coming to PC. Platform exclusivity is a common practice in the video game industry. So like other games like Final Fantasy VII Rebirth or other newly released games, they come to be exclusive to some console like PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. Maybe UFC, so maybe EA Sports UFC 5 will release on PC after some years from now, so it won't be released on PC anytime soon. So it will take some time or it won't be available on PC forever. But if you want to actually play the game, you can just try to get PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series S. So Xbox Series S is a very cheap console for the new generation, so you can take it for a cheap price and try to play the game. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.